Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can listen to Spotify offline. So imagine that you're without internet. So first of all, you need to go ahead and find the songs that you want to hear offline. Tap on the three dot next to the song. You can do this on the Spotify application or even the website as well. So find the song and then tap on the three dot next to it. Now select Add to Playlist option and create a new playlist or find any playlist and add it. After that, select download, which is between the shuffle and the invite collaborators option. Here you can download and play offline with the Windows application as well. You can download it from your Microsoft Store, but you need to unlock downloads and other features with premium. So keep in mind that downloading requires Spotify Premium. You need to go ahead and access the premium on your Spotify. You can try 1 month for $0, and you can also select view all plans and select any one that you prefer, and you'll be able to download songs on Spotify and listen to it offline. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.